Hi there! In this video, we're checking out this HDMI Audio Embedder from OREI. Opening it up, right on top, we have the device itself, and at the bottom, the power supply and documentation. Let's take a look at everything in detail. First, we have a card for a free extended warranty. And here is a user manual. Definitely worth a read, as it includes all the specs and useful setup diagrams. Next up is the power supply. It's rated at 5 volts 1 amp. Honestly, I wish it used USB Type-C, but the adapter is pretty compact, so it's really not that big of a deal. Now for the embedder itself. On the front, we have the power in, HDMI out, and a switch that lets you toggle between HDMI, optical, and line audio. That means you can keep the original HDMI audio or inject fresh audio from either an optical source or a 3.5mm line input. On the other end, we have the HDMI input, 3.5mm line in and optic in. The whole device feels built like a tank. Really high quality. I highly recommend it if you need a solid HDMI audio embedder. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.